2025 Nissan Patrol, unveiling our most detailed preview. Yet the forthcoming Nissan Patrol's next generation is envisioned through these computer-generated images, meticulously crafted based on the latest and most revealing spy photos available. Anticipated to hit showrooms within the next 18 to 24 months, these images provide a speculative glimpse into the potential appearance of the 2025 Nissan Patrol. Created by Theottle, a skilled Photoshop artist at Drive, these images draw inspiration from the recent set of exceptionally clear photos showcasing the next-generation Nissan Patrol. Last week, the heavily camouflaged test vehicles shed some of their cover, offering an unprecedented view of the new design elements such as the headlights, grille, and front bumper. While these renderings represent our best interpretation, it's important to note that they are not officially endorsed by Nissan
and an international orientation,
and do not serve
the new
as
Patrol
a definitive
will feature
representation of the final product. Nevertheless, they provide the most accurate depiction available to spare. The choice of engine for the upcoming Nissan Patrol remains uncertain, with widespread speculation suggesting a shift from the current 5.6-liter V8 petrol engine to a twin-turbo V6 petrol powertrain. The move towards twin-turbo V6 options aligns with the evolving automotive landscape's focus on meeting stringent global emissions targets, rendering the development of new V8 engines less practical. Enthusiasts of the current V8-powered Nissan Patrol in Australia are expected to have a limited window of 18 to 24 months to acquire the last units before the potential transition to V6 power. The popularity of the V8 variant was evident in its record-breaking monthly sales in September 2023, marking the best performance in 19 years. Spy photos of the next-generation Nissan Patrol, known as the Armada, in the U.S., have surfaced online.
There's been no official word on pricing as of yet.
Published on the Instagram page of Kindle
However,
Auto,
estimates
a
put the
specialist
price
in spy photography. These images capture the vehicle in light camouflage, providing a partial view of the muscular guards and a prominent gill vent behind the front wheel arch. Intriguingly, Theottle has reimagined the new Patrol in light of the recent Infiniti QX monograph concept debut, which is a precursor to the forthcoming QX80, the luxury counterpart to the Nissan Patrol. The monograph concept showcases an anti-wedge design with a more spacious interior, offering a potential glimpse into the stylistic evolution of the upcoming Patrol. Amidst global regulatory differences in emission standards, it's speculated that Australia's Nissan Patrol may retain the current 5.6-liter V8 for a few more years before considering a shift to a twin-turbo V6. This contrasts with the situation in the United States, where stricter emissions regulations necessitate a different approach. Looking ahead to the 2025 Nissan Patrol, there are discussions about a potential switch to a turbocharged V6 engine, following a trend observed in competitors like Toyota and Ford. The shift to a more efficient powertrain may be complemented by the introduction of a hybrid version, though full electrification is not expected for the 2025 model year. As the seventh generation of the Nissan Patrol emerges, it promises not only a new engine lineup, but also a refreshed aesthetic. Although test mules are yet to hit the streets, conceptualized images and renders suggest a bolder and potentially larger design for the 2025 Nissan Patrol, aligning with the evolving trends in the automotive landscape.